Hi guys, welcome back. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. More videos coming your way. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the interior light bulbs of a Suzuki Wagon R to LEDs, or you just replacing a fused bulb. Pull down the lens using a flat plate screwdriver or a plastic prying tool, and to install, simply push it back in. The size of the front stock bulb is approximately 30.5 mm in length, and I'm using this type of COB LED. To open the rear lens, simply pull down the lens using a flat blade screwdriver or a plastic prying tool. The length of the rear stock bulb is 36 mm. When you put back the bulb, make sure that the contact springs are holding the bulb securely. Hope this video is of help. More DIY videos on the Wagon R coming up. Feel free to share, like, subscribe, and drive safe.